Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
And the last question is question number 5, which we are going to do, and then I believe number 6 is so simple for you. You can be able to determine the percentage composition by mass of each of the elements in the compounds. Question number 5 is, what percentage by mass of sodium is there in 1 mole of sodium nitrate? So in sodium nitrate, we need first of all to get the relative formula mass. And the RFM, the relative formula mass, is given by the mass of sodium is 23. And you have 1 atom. The mass of nitrogen is 14. And the mass of oxygen is 16. And there are 3 atoms. And therefore, this is 23 plus 14 plus 48. 23 plus 14 plus 48 is giving you 85. So the RFM of sodium carbonate is 85. And we are calculating the percentage by mass of sodium. And therefore, mass of sodium in sodium nitrate, the mass is just 32. Not 32, but 23. Mass is 23. Let's say it's equals to 23. And therefore, to get the percentage of sodium, this will be 23. You divide by 85. 85 is the relative formula mass of sodium nitrate. And then you multiply by 100 to make it a percent. Therefore, it's 23 divided by 85 then you multiply by 100. That is 27.06. 27.06%. 27.06%. That is now the percentage of by mass of sodium in 1 mole of sodium nitrate. So that's how these questions are simple. Therefore, I want you now to attempt question number 5 and get some more examples and try and work them out. So that's how simple they are. And that brings us to the end of our lesson today. In the next lesson, we will be learning about empirical and molecular formula. See you in the next lesson.